Find features that distinguish it from other brands for Bawmwim Surge Protector Power Strip, and why you should buy choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features. Bawmwim 14-in-1 Power Surge Protector Strip features 8 outlets, 1.2-inch space, 1250 watt, 10 amp, 4 USB-A and 2 USB-C charging ports, 5 volt/2.4 amp each, serving as both a multi-plug outlet surge protector and extension cord with USB ports. The 1.2-inch strategic space-saving outlets accommodates more than 90% bulky adapters with ease. Bawmwim Power Strip with USB ports streamline your charging setup with this surge protector featuring intelligent USB port technology. Equipped with 4 USB-A and 2 USB-C ports, max 5 volt/2.4 amp, perfect for smartphones and tablets, surge protector with USB ports eliminates the need for multiple chargers. Bawmwim ETL certified flat plug surge protector power strip features overload protection, fire-resistant materials, and built-in power surge protector. Bawmwim outlet surge protector minimum energy absorbing capacity of 1250 joules. It will automatically cut power to protect connected devices when voltage surge is overwhelming. Surge protection and overload safety, protects electronics from power spikes. Bawmwim at just 0.53 inches thick, ultra-slim flat plug power strip features a flat plug extension cord that won't block adjacent outlets, making it ideal for tight spaces. The 10 feet flat extension cord provides flexible placement as a wall-mounted surge protector or desktop solution, while the dual hanging slots allow for vertical or horizontal mounting behind furniture or on your workstation. The compact design saves more space, suitable for the home, office, and college dorm room. Bawmwim charge effortlessly in any space. Tuck the Bawmwim surge protector behind your living room TV, power up your office devices, or slip it into your travel bag for hotel stays. Its ultra-slim design fits seamlessly in dorm rooms, keeping phones, laptops, and gadgets neatly organized. Perfect as a surge protector with USB ports for bedrooms, offices, RVs, and travel. Enjoy the perfect blend of safety and convenience in one compact extension cord with multiple outlets. Available in 6, 10, 15, 20 feet. The Bawmwim black extension cord adapts to a variety of decorative styles, blending seamlessly into your home decor. Safety first. For optimal performance and safety, the total wattage of all appliances plugged in should not exceed 1250 watt. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.